Okay, so this is my first look at the Toshiba 49U7863 4K Smart TV. This video is mainly to show the TV's connections and what smart TV services are available, also how well the smart TV interface performs. Sound quality is tuned by Onkyo, and for a modern TV it's good, with plenty of volume and reasonable bass. There is a sound test later in this video, but bear in mind it was recorded on an iPhone 7 at about 4 feet away. Connectivity is good with both satellite and aerial inputs, 3 HDMI inputs, 2 USBs, a headphone socket, optical output which is useful for connecting a soundbar, and composite AV inputs for older devices like DVD players or older games consoles. Picture quality is decent with good contrast and colour balance. Unlike more premium TVs, this TV doesn't have any picture processing to make the picture smoother. Picture quality is decent with good contrast and colour balance. Unlike more premium TVs, this TV doesn't have any picture processing to make motion smoother. It's great to see Bluetooth wireless headphones and speakers are supported. Miracast allows you to wirelessly connect many Android tablets or phones, and also most current Windows devices. It's demonstrated later on in the video. The Vestel Smart TV system is impressive in 2019. It launches immediately, offering the majority of services available in the UK, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, plus the excellent Freeview Explorer app. More apps can be found and added with the App Store. The only major app missing is Now TV, which is still only available on Samsung and LG smart TVs. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.
You smelt the hype. It all went down. You saw the previous video. You've seen many videos on the new devices from Samsung, S10, S10 Plus. They're out there, and they're kind of interesting, to be honest. But